Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an administrator account, stable network access, and the host OS must allow remote desktop. Once confirmed, open Settings or Control Panel immediately and locate Remote Desktop. You'll enable the feature. This opens firewall and permission prompts that you must accept. Make sure to note the computer name or IP address now. If using dynamic IP, consider a static lease or dynamic DNS so you can reliably reach the machine later. Once done enabling Remote Desktop, add specific user accounts to the Remote Desktop Users group so you limit access. Don't use generic accounts. Then enable network-level authentication to require credentials before session creation, reducing attack surface. Next, open Windows Firewall Rules or your third-party firewall and forward port 3389 on the router to the host if you need external access. Finally, consider changing the listening port or using a VPN to add another layer of protection. You finish by testing. Initiate a local remote session using the computer name, then test from the remote network using the public IP or DNS name. If it connects, save credentials securely and enable session timeout policies. If it fails, check that the user is in the correct group, verify the firewall rule and port forwarding, and confirm NLA settings. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall on the host to isolate whether the firewall or network routing is blocking the session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.